Find the area enclosed between x square equal to 4ay and y square equal to 4ax. So here solution x square equal to 4ay and y square equal to 4ax, both are parabola. So here we have studied in the lower class that y square equal to 4ax. If we substitute x 0 a, we get the y value. This one if you modify, we can write it as y equal to 2 times square root of a into x. If we substitute 0, we get y also 0. If we substitute a, we get a square, we get a as common, we get 2a. Similarly, here we can do the same things for this one. We modify and we write it as x is equal to square root of 4ay. We substitute plus and minus value. Here minus value. If we substitute, we get minus here. So we must write the always positive values. Y, let us consider the y as 0 and x we get 0. X is a, we get 4a square, 4a square square root is 2a. So a square is there, we draw the so x-axis, y-axis, y-axis and x-axis. Let us consider this as 0 and this as a, and here we consider this as a and this is 2a. So when it is 0, we are getting x is 0, y is 0, this point, and y is a and x is 2a, we are getting the value here. So here we can draw the diagram, approximate diagram, and the reciprocal is this one. For this one, x is 0, y is 0, and x is a, y is 2a. So symmetrical of this one is nothing but this one. So here we combine these two diagrams. So here if we combine these two diagrams, we get so this is y, this one is x. If we combine this one, we can draw the diagram. We get the two parabolas. So this is approximate diagram. Here x is 2a, x is 0, y is 2a, and this one x is a. So here we consider always this point. If it difficult to find out the point of intersection, then we can do one thing, substitute x square equal to 4ay in y square equal to 4ax. So here if we substitute, so here y is nothing but x square by 4ay. So here x square by 4a whole square equal to 4ax. So we take the square, x power 4. Here we getting 16a square equal to 4a into x. We cross multiply this one, x power 4 equal to 64a cube x. This one bring it to left hand side, we get x power 4 minus 64a cube x equal to 0. And if we take x common, we get x cube minus 64a cube equal to 0. So here we can identify that x is 0, x cube is 64, a power 3, x we can write it as 4a. So here the point of intersection is x is 0, x is 4a. So this point we must find out. This is the area enclosed between the parabola. we mark it. Area is nothing but double integral dy dx. Here x is 0 to 4a. We must write y. So here we can see that this is nothing but y square equal to 4ax. This is the lower limit. Y can be written as 2 times root ax. So we can write it as this is the lower limit 2 times root a into x, and another one upper limit is x square by 4a into dy dx. So here integrating with respect to x, we can write it as integral x is 0 to a 4a, integration of dy is y, limit is 2 times square root of a into x, and upper limit is x square by 4a into dx. So we apply the upper limit. X square by 4a minus 2 times root a into x power 1 by 2, integrating with respect to x. Here integrating with respect to x, we can write it as x square is the x power 3 dividing by 3, here already 4a is there, into 4a minus 2 root a is constant. Integration of this one is x power 3 by 2 dividing by 3 by 2, limit is 0 to 4a for both. Now we apply the upper limit. 4a is 3 times. If you apply the lower limit, it becomes 0. 3 times 4a, so we can cancel 1 4a minus 2 root a. If we reciprocal this one, we get 2 dividing by 3. And here if we apply this 4a here, we can write it as 4a into square root of 4a. This is nothing but x power 3 by 2. 16 times a square by 3 minus this one, we can write it as 4 4s are 16 by 3 a, square root of a into square root of a is a, and square root of 4 is 2. 16 a square by 3 minus this one, we are getting 32 a square by 3, we get minus 16 a square by 3 is the answer. So area of this one is 16 a square dividing by